Suffering a brain injury following an accident can have really serious effects on someone's life. It can also affect their loved ones and their family. The effects of brain injury are not always obvious. It is known as a hidden disability sometimes. The consequences can affect someone's lifestyle, how they work, their ability to work, how they interact with their family and friends. After a brain injury, you may need financial support until we can get you back to work. You may need rehabilitation to help you get back to work. And you may need long-term care, and we can support you through trying to get those outcomes for you. A brain injury is anything that affects brain function. We look after people who've suffered injuries to the brain in accidents. Brain injuries can be caused by a traumatic accident, for example, in a road traffic accident or an accident at work. The effect of the brain injury can be very serious and affect lots of bodily functions, or it can be minor or moderate, so with quite subtle effects. If you've suffered a brain injury as a result of an accident that wasn't your fault, then we can help you make a claim for compensation. The claim will cover your losses such as loss of earnings, the cost of any rehabilitation that you may need, and also looking to the future. So if you're going to be restricted in what work you can do going forward, then we can look to compensate you for that. At Nelson's, our legal team specialise in brain injury cases. We've got a wealth of experience in this area. We also work with private rehabilitation experts, and we can coordinate care to look after you once you've had an accident and you're trying to get back to your old life and help you on your road to recovery. We deal with all sorts of brain injury claims. People who've suffered injuries in a road accident, accidents abroad, and accidents at work, they're the main ones. As a team, we have long-standing links with Headway, the brain injury charity, both nationally and locally. That gives us experience of helping families and people with brain injuries through really quite difficult times. So in addition to our legal expertise, we do feel that we get to know our clients and we understand a little bit about what they're going through and try and help them. We would analyse your case to see what your chances of success are in terms of winning your claim. We would take full details from you about what's happened, and we would investigate the circumstances. If we feel that you've got a good claim, then we will then press on with it. We do look to liaise with the defendant's solicitors as soon as possible. If we are able to get interim payments, we do, so that helps with rehabilitation. Brain injuries are complex and they need specialist experts to give us the right medical evidence. So we do have experts that we work with a lot who we know are at the top of their field, and they will be able to provide the best evidence to support the claim. If sadly someone has lost their mental capacity due to their brain injuries, then we can take advice from our Court of Protection team who are expert in dealing with the Court of Protection and looking after someone who can't look after their own finances, perhaps when the case is finished, but also throughout the case. If you've suffered a brain injury or a member of your family has, it's really easy to be overwhelmed by what's happened. It turns your whole life upside down. So we would say, please come and see us or seek our advice as early as possible, and we can try and put the support in place for you so that you feel that you are being looked after right from the beginning.